Hi guys, so for this week's design I was inspired by another nail artist. I'll leave the link below where you can see her original work. I have painted all my nails white and then I'm using 4 neon colours and I've placed them in different positions as you can see on the nail coming down from the tip. Next we're using black polish and the dry brush technique, and I'm going to do 2 very quick and light strokes over the nails. Next we're going to use black and a couple of dotting tools. I'm using a slightly larger one just to do a few dots, and then I'm using the smallest dotting tool to do just some tiny dots, and as you can see they're different on every nail. Over the top of the entire nail I'm going to put this silver hollow topper. This is from my own indie collection. This is called Aurora, and the link below will take you to my Etsy store.